Intel just ran from $18 to 142. But this week something broke. The support that held for a month just gave away. So is this a healthy pullback or the start of something worse? Stick with me because there is one level that tells us exactly which one it is. Welcome back to Stock Valley. Today we are breaking down the Intel, one of the biggest comeback stories on the market that just hits its first real crack. We will cover how far this rally ran, the level is just lost, and the two scenarios from here, where it's bounce or where it breaks. Let's get into it. First, how we got here. First whole move started back in the January 2025 from around the $18. From there, Intel went on the massive run, all the way up to 142 by the end of the June. Then it did exactly what strong stocks do after a big run. It retested from early May all the way to July 24th. Intel traded the sideways in a clean range between the 100 as psychological support and the 140 as resistance. That kind of sideways action isn't weakness. It is a stock catching its breathing. The question was always, which ways does it break? And this week, we got our answer. On July 24th and 27th, Intel lost the 9150 support. And once that broke, the selling picked up, the stock rolled over the slit down toward the $79.50 or $80 zone. And that $80 area is not random. It's the 61% Fibonacci retracement level. It's playing to turn. This is the whereas pullback either finds its footing or keeps falling. So what does this mean? The stock that's been climbing for a year and a half is now, for the first time, pulling back with the real force. Here's the map. We just lost 91.50. So that's now resistance above us. The level to watch to below is 79.50. Does it hold here or do we keep sliding back toward 100? Wait, let me be clear. If 80 breaks 2, the next Fibonacci retracement zero level sits lower and the worst case, this pullback could stretch all the way down toward the $55-$60. That's the risk if the support keeps failing. And volume back, this is up. Over the last 5 sessions, average volume was around 150 million heavy. That tell us the selling is real and it can continue. So here's my take. With 9150 gun volume this heavy, right now it makes more sense to sit back and watch, not to buy. Let the stock show us the weather $80. If $80 supports hold and buyer steps, that's your first sign the pullback is done. But until that happens, this is a falling start on heavy volume, and you don't fight with that. Patient here is the traded. Alright, your turn. Does 80 hold for Intel or are we heading lower, bull or bear? If the breakdown helps you this Intel clearer, hit the subscribe. I break down a new setup like this every day. And then usually reminder, this is education, not for financial advice. Do your own risk, manage your risk. I will see you in the next one.